First of all, how much of our time are we actually spending on social media? So from 2012 to 2020, we went from spending an average of 90 minutes a day to 145 minutes a day. That's more than 2 hours a day on social media. And in fact, 70% of US healthcare organizations use social media, with Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube being the most popular. And in one study, 57% of consumers said that a hospital's social media presence would strongly influence their choice regarding where to go for their services.
So education is really where I see a lot of physicians thriving on social media. As physicians, we're almost innately teachers. We go through residency being learners, but we also then, as many of us in academic medicine, become teachers over time. And education in the traditional sense has also evolved over time, where it's not just necessarily lectures. People are obtaining information, retaining information as well over many different sources, including through social media platforms.